Hello friends, today we will see session number 20 in Catia. Defining standards. Some standards are there in drafting. Defining standards in Catia drafting involves setting up specific parameters to ensure consistency, quality and compliance with a company or industry norms. Inserting frame and title. This is a inserting. Inserting a frame and title block in Catia drafting involves creating or importing a template that includes these elements. You can see understanding links. In Catia drafting, links refers to the relationship between the drafting views and the 3D models or parts that they represent. These links are crucial as they ensure that the 2D drawings remains consistent with any changes made to 3D models. Here is a basic overview. Generating dimensions. This task will show you how to generate dimensions steps by step from the constraint of a 3D part. Only the following constraint can be generated: distance, length, angle, radius, and diameter. Constraint may be three kinds created manually via the sketches, 3D parts, automatically created via internal parameters. You can see this one is the dimensions. Real-time rendering means real-time rendering allows you to define material specifications that will be shared across your entire product development process as well as map materials onto parts and products. Produce realistic renderings means giving the colors. We are seen in the previous chapters, we are given grass colors to our models. These types of real-time rendering. Let's see in a Katia. You can see this one is the dimensions. We are given the dimensions. If you want give the dimensions, you can click on here and click here and give the dimensions. We need to increase the height of text 15 and enter. You can see this is the dimension, this is the dimension, this is the dimension, this is the front view of this is the top view and this is the left view. Let's see how to print in a PDF this file. Then go to the file and click on print. You can see this one is the definition box of a print. Printer name is general and Microsoft print to PDF. This is the properties are there. Rotation is a 0 and we need to select scale is there. Fit to fit in page we need to select. After that, page setups and options previews are there. Whole document. We want print area as a selection. You can select here. You can select from here. Yes. And preview. You can see. This one is a preview of it. And apply and OK. You can save a project or a drafting. Save and OK. Or you can your object file is saved. Go in downloads and see here. This is your object. This is a drafting in print to PDF. This one is a PDF. When you are just working in a company, you need to send in this format to the clients. Thank you. This session is completed.